Hello guys, I think so that you all having a wonderful time right now, and it's your friend Yuvraj Rana. And I think so that everyone knows about me because last time I was uploading my video related to English speaking. That I really gonna tell you that how you can speak in a proper way. But for a long time I was not thinking about this one, that how can I upload any kind of video related to English speaking. But last night, not last night, today I just realized that I really have to upload a video on my YouTube channel related to English speaking, and it can be kind of vlog because one of the biggest thing is that why I'm not uploading any kind of video related to English speaking on my YouTube channel, because I just recollect to Dehradun, and nowadays I think so that you want to know that where I am. It's a Gurgaon. It's not far away to Delhi. It's nearby Delhi NCR, and also you can find on the description box. I'm gonna mention my location, that where I'm staying nowadays, and you can find my current location. Okay, so I'm just talking about that why I'm not uploading any kind of video for a long time, and why I decided today that I really have to make any kind of video. I should have upload, because one of the biggest thing is that what was the reason behind it. Because I didn't get the proper time to make any kind of video, because I was finding the best way that how I gonna survive my life in a proper way, and I was where I'm here today. What's the reason behind it, that why I'm here today? Because I was thinking that I really have to learn some specific thing, and I must have to change my way. That's why I just came here, and I just left to a little bit, not that much. I just left to my that goal that was related to SSC exam, because I was paying for the SSC examination in Karanpur, Dehradun, and there was a coaching center, Vijay Academy. There I was learning about how to gonna crack the SSC exams, and that's why. But still, I just slapped to it, not for a long time, but still. And after that, I just came here, and I just joined a kind of organization, and where I'm just learning related to migration, that how we're gonna work in a migration company, and how we're gonna migrate India to different countries, Gulf countries, UAE, English countries, Canada, Australia, and Hong Kong. And I'm just working on that I'm just learning the whole process, that how we can work on that how we can file our PR visa, how we can get PR visa in Canada and Australia. I'm just learning about that, because in future I have a plan some for that, but still I'm not gonna share with you. Doesn't matter. Okay, why I'm just making this video? Because I really want to share with you guys that now I'm gonna make my videos again and again frequently about any topic and about anything related to me speaking. So we're gonna talking about this one, and I think so that last time I really uploaded 2 to 3 vlogs. That was because I was visiting the Himayu Stone, and also the Sundar Nursery. I think so that was the Sundar Nursery, and I also visiting right there. But that was not awesome, so that's why. But still I think so that I really should have uploaded that where I'm nowadays. So that's why I just uploaded those videos. So no need to worry about it. I'm just back, and now I'm gonna make my different videos in different ways. What's going around to vlogs, and also some kind of English tips, English speaking tips, that how you can speak in a proper ways. And I'm also gonna learn that thing, because I'm just left that I'm not doing well. I really have no idea that how I'm gonna speak in a proper way for a long time about any topic. But still I'm just speaking, because I don't think so that if you are living in that kind of environment, that every person is educated and they have a proper way, from where you're gonna learn different verbs and vocabulary, you can give your best. So that's why I just decided that I really have to recall it, because in that one, that I have lots of problem I was facing, because that kind of environment that was not good for me, because I really wanna polish my skills. So that's why I just came here, and I'm just polishing, I can say that. So what's the meaning of polish? Like, you want to learn something, some specific thing, and you want to change by yourself, and also you want to learn some specific thing, and you don't have a use your skill in a proper way, that but still you just going that kind of environment, that where lots of educated people is also working, and you're gonna work with them. So I can say that you can learn some new things. Also, you can polish, and you can be sharp minded guy. if you're gonna learn and if you're gonna stay in that kind of environment. But still, I really don't wanna make a too long video, and just now I'm just making this one, so no need to worry about it. And just do share and love, do share, and also subscribe it, because I didn't say that you have to share. You have to share, and I think that as soon as possible I'm gonna improve in that. And I'm just thinking that I really have to purchase a stand, because I don't have any stand to cover my mobile phone, because every video I make to my mobile. So that's why I really have to purchase a proper stand. I'm gonna purchase, and then you can see that I'm gonna make my all the videos in a proper. So I think so that's too long video, and if in this video I'm just making any kind of mistake, so neglect all the things and just try to learn and just try to build your listening skills and speaking skills also. Just give your just give your best and do your ass off. Okay, I'm not a teacher. If I'm just speaking, so you can also do. Okay, so bye bye guys, we're gonna meet soon in my next video. It's not a kind of English speaking videos, anything else. It's a normal videos I'm just making as vlog, and you can't think that why I'm not telling anything else. I'm not telling about English speaking, that use that kind of slang and also idioms, paras you must have to use, right? No, you can learn by yourself, and once you start speaking English, so you're really gonna find any kind of slang and also all the things to anywhere you can use. Also, if you have lots of courage to learn some specific thing, you can learn and you're gonna give your best. So bye bye guys, in my next video I'm gonna tell you everything, and also gonna discuss about the English speaking. So don't think hard about this one. Okay, also I'm just making a mistakes and I'm just cramming. Okay, still I'm not gonna speak like that. Okay, bye bye, we'll meet soon. My throat have become, I'm not able to speak in a proper way. Bye bye guys, we'll meet soon. Have a nice day.